Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an awareness campaign using Meta AI. Yes, the Meta AI. And if you have not been following this series, there are two videos on your screen right now. The first being how to set up an awareness campaign, a cold awareness campaign, and the second being how to set up an awareness campaign using warm audience. And this will be the final episode in the series. I'm sure you don't want to miss any one of this. So kindly go back if you missed anyone, and if you're following, let's jump right into the tutorial. So over the years, Meta has been studying and building their AI model, and there are a lot of errors, and now it has been fixed. It has been fixed, and you can trust the AI completely for your campaign. And before you trust the AI, you need to know how to set it up. So you are not restricting the AI, you are not forcing the AI to work your own way, you are letting the AI work the way it was programmed to work. So let's set up an awareness campaign, and in the coming time, we will be creating other objective and tutorials that you can learn from sales to leads to app download. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on awareness only. Let's start. So this is the ad manager. If you don't know what this is, we have a detailed video on the channel that will take you through the ad manager. So on the ad manager, you go to create. After going to create, you click on awareness, then you click on continue. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it means a whole lot to us. Thank you. Now, the first thing you do is name your campaign. So I would call this plus AI. Yes, awareness campaign plus AI, because we are using the normal campaign structure, but we're using AI to support every decision we'll be taking. The next thing is you turn on your campaign plus automatic budget, right? So here, the algorithm, if you want to read more about this, the AI would help you optimize your spend properly and distribute your budget in the right way, right? You can read more on the left side. You can read everything you need to know about it. It is certified and it is proven. So here, I love to give the AI enough room to breathe. So I put 10,000 Naira as my daily budget, which you say it's too small. Okay, we have to increase it to 20. And yeah, that works. So now the volume of the campaign, you can change it from high volume, but usually I love to get results. So I don't want just high volume. I want to get cost per reach. I want the AI to look for the reach. The goal of the campaign, if you have been following this series, you will know that the campaign we are trying to build is to get more reach. And if you're joining us for the first time, you're also welcome. So the goal is to get more reach and more people to see our brand. And that is the reason for this tutorial. We need to get more people to see our brand. Are we doing anything like budget scheduling? No. Let the AI do its thing. Are we doing an A or B test? We can do A or B test now, comparing the warm, cold, and AI-driven campaign together. But one thing I want to highlight is when you are doing A or B test, you are trying to shut down one, or you don't believe that one is working and the other is working. But usually I advise my students that the three different campaigns have three different missions. They have three different audience. One, the cold audience is reaching people that you will never reach on a normal day. The warm audience are people who have interacted with your brand some way, somehow, landed on your page, and they viewed your content. They know you one way or the other. And the AI-driven campaign is usually the campaign handled by Meta themselves, which combining this whole three types of campaign, you will definitely get an amazing result. Do I have to do A or B test? No, you don't. Then what do you have to do? Is it a special category? No, it's not, except you're in politics, real estate, employment, and financial industry, which many brands don't even do, right? Then the next thing you have to do is your ad set. AI plus AI. I love using plus AI. It reminds me that AI is also part of the campaign, right? So what are we trying to achieve? Maximum reach. As you can see, it's here already. Then do we have a cost per goal? No, I don't really need this, but it was done by the AI automatically. You could see that comparing that to the other video tutorial, you will know that it's usually optional, but when the budget was assigned to the AI, it did this by itself, right? Did the calculation. And can you change it? Yes, you can change it. Then amount of frequency, how many times do you want people to see the content in every 7 days? I want them to see my content and at least 4 times in a day in 7 days. Yes, I want them to see it 4 times in 7 days, right? Now you can now use dynamic creative. Now you are giving room to the AI to test different creative and not just having one ad at 1, at 2, at 3, at 4, at 5, at 6, at 7. No, it's not necessary. With dynamic creative, the AI can choose that, oh, I've seen this person. The AI know the users on the platform, so they can easily tailor the different creative in a split seconds to different customer avatar, and that is super amazing. So the next thing you want to do is to set an end date, as AI is in charge of our budget. As you can see, your daily budget is AI campaign driven, obviously. So the end date here, I would set it up to 26th of November. That is when the campaign should end. So I want this audience to be driven by AI. So I'll come here and give the AI some suggestions, as you can see. So who do I want to reach? For example, you can add my page visitors, so people who have visited my page before. I can add that as a suggestion. The reason why AI campaign is amazing is that you can bring both your cold and your warm audience together into one campaign, and the AI will derive data from those two things. And that was why I taught you those two series before this last one. And if you have not watched that episode, kindly go back to watch the last two tutorials before this. Either ways, then you can input all your warm audience, which I have created. There was also a video where I taught how to create a warm audience. So you can bring in all your warm audience and also add your targeting, the people you're trying to reach. For example, I'm a speaker, I'm a teacher. I love to teach people digital marketing. I can just search for digital marketing or digital marketers. Say, just put that. I don't really need to put in detailed targeting, as you know, it's not efficient, because all these are just suggestions to the AI. We're using AI for this campaign. The next thing is advantage plus placement. So here we leave the AI to do its thing and you choose advantage plus placement. What is the next thing to do? You press next. With this now, we have different creative that could be embossed into this one ad, because we're using a dynamic creative. So I can select more images, I can select more pictures. Let's just try. I have a couple of content that I have used before, so let me look for them. Let me just get a couple of pictures. My pictures are loading. I can, in this same ad set, why it is super amazing, I can also add videos to this ad set. Yes, so while it's loading, right, it's uploading the data. You can also upload videos to this same ad set because it's a dynamic AI creative. So it's actually supposed to be ad plus AI, right? Yep. So here the pictures that were selected are loading. So all of those pictures will be one campaign. They'll be individual campaign. They are not combined. They are going to be their own standalone campaign that the AI will test with different target avatar, right? It's not just one target avatar alone. So you can see here, this is the same campaign, but here it's a different picture. It's not a carousel. It's still the same campaign, but different creative. And that is why dynamic creative is the next word changer. You can add your caption, add your description, add your website. I usually love, for an awareness campaign, I love either learn more, watch more, or no action button. That way it feels more organic because you're trying to build awareness for your brand. Okay, the images have uploaded. Now you can also add videos. You can either upload video from your account, from your business suite, from YouTube, or from your Instagram page itself. So I have a couple of tutorial videos on my Instagram page. So I'll just select some of it. I can select 5. So you see the same ad is not a carousel. The same ad, you can see I have more content. So let me preview the ad. So I clicked on ad preview. You can see all of them are standalone campaign. They are individual campaigns. They are not mixed together. It's the same thing. Now the algorithm will test which of this content works well. As a standalone, it's the same ad. Usually for you to achieve this amount of, you have to create individual ad, one ad per creative. But now this is under just only one ad. You have videos, pictures under the same campaign. Isn't AI amazing? With that being said, you add your call to actions, you set up your website events. If you haven't done that, you have to do so. And after that, you publish your campaign. I'm sure you have learned a lot from this tutorial. And do us a favor, kindly subscribe to the channel and also share this video with a friend, a business owner that really needs to create awareness for their brand. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.